Welcome back, everybody. We are here with a second stream of this nor'easter. And yes, we are definitely in it now. Really starting to see the heaviest snow accumulations and really starting to see some pretty big updates here. You know, some spots in the northern regions of my area, like near Hazleton, already has reported 4 inches of snow. Probably my area, probably getting 3.5, almost even 4 inches now since the last live stream. We have been dealing with a lot of these heavy snow bands. We had one earlier that caused straight out whiteout conditions, blizzard conditions, and currently we are back in it with another huge band of snow here. We are, this is that snow line of that absolutely heavy, and we are going to be in it for quite a bit, maybe getting heavier and stuff. And then a little bit more south of it, you can tell it breaks up and then it regroups. There's a lot of banding in it, and you can tell we even have some new banding features now trying to develop back here, and that is heading right into the direction of here. So we're going to be continuing to deal with this for at least the next 3 to 5 hours of moderate to heavy snow, and most of the time more of that heavy snow accumulations. Okay, we're talking about probably an inch to an inch and a half to even 2 inches per hour in some of these snow bands. Another thing that's making this a little bit worse is now we're starting to deal with the wind gust. We're definitely starting to deal with some of these stronger wind gusts. When I look at the winds here on my map, yeah, definitely starting to get a bit more windy, and it's going to continue to get a little bit more windy throughout the system. You can tell our nor'easter is seriously woken up. This band that we had earlier is now up here. We have very nice banding features all the way into back here. We still got probably another 3 hours of very heavy snow, and maybe even a little bit more. We're just going to have to see and watch how much snow does really fall. Once again, maybe some lighter pockets within this. We are going to watch out for this new band that's starting to develop over here. Usually when a new band is starting to develop, it could get even stronger, and that could be the band that drops 3 inches an hour in some spots. Okay, we really do have some impressive bands, and I mean right now, according to the radar, I mean it's just a big area of heavy snow. Even for my area, just some very heavy snow, and even some of the lighter spots are getting taken over into some heavy snow, but this snow is going to continue for the next few hours at least. Radar says that we're still going to be in pretty heavy snow by 7 o'clock, okay? That's definitely possible. We are still in the wake of the storm. We're now getting into the worst parts of the storm where the winds are at its worst, not at its worst, but stronger. Wow. It is just dumping. And right now it is just dumping of snow. If you guys are in this storm right now, please let me know. Back in the Harrisburg area, it's been snowing too, like crazy. And there's been consistent winds too. But right now, it is just thumping of snow. And we're going to have to wait and see, because this is going to be a long coming hours here. We're now starting to see some 6 inches near Harrisburg. So we're definitely getting into those higher snow totals. We got 3.4 in Nazareth now. So definitely getting 3, 4 inches, 5 inches. We even have some 8-inch amounts. And we are just going to have to wait and see. I would say generally 6, 7, 8 inches is just extremely possible. And you can tell on the radar, too, we're seeing this, this continuous heavy snow all through in these bands. Just continuing bands thriving into some areas. And some of these spots are even seeing even heavier snow in certain spots. So now let's take a second, and we're gonna go into some modeling here, because I know this is a big thing here too, and we're gonna have to really watch for some thunder snow too. If you guys are outside in this, watch out for thunder snow. There is potential for some of these bands to have thunder snow. I'm really wanting to see if we start getting some oranges out of some of these bands. If that did happen, probably 3-4 inches an hour. Okay. That's very hard to come by. But latest 20Z. There's that snow. Continuing to fall. I think the radar is doing pretty good. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Probably an additional... Probably like additional 4 to 6 inches. I would say additional. With the latest run. Okay, additional 4 to 6 inches. So if you guys already have 4, I mean, I can definitely see some of those heavy snowfall totals. Even the NAM really helps to put another 3 to 6 inches. I would say another 3. I would say more like another 4 to 6 inches in spots. Okay, that's probably will be the best bet. They even update some of the winter weather advisories, I think. So right now, I say this is so far holding true. We probably had a bit more snow down in here. In these regions, I think we have more of that 7, 6. But I think so far doing good on totals. We're just going to have to wait and see, honestly. Winter storm warning still in effect, like it should be. Going to be in effect into morning. And then we even have more advisories, and it's actually for minus 15 degrees wind chills, you guys. That's just crazy. That's a lot of cold. Okay. Temperatures do continue to drop. We're at 24 degrees, feeling like 13. So everything is just freezing. I mean, it's just getting harder to plow. I mean, they're expecting another additional 4 to 6 inches of snow, and areas of blowing snow. Additional, there is snowfall rates up to 1 inch. Temperatures expected in the teens night below freezing for several days. Result and persist even after precipitation ends. So, yeah. Pretty crazy. Pretty heavy snow. Oh, yeah, wow. Really nasty conditions here. Our nor'easter, probably like right here. I would say our nor'easter's right here. That's our nor'easter. Really dumping that heavy snow right now. Oh, yeah, look at that. Very... Let this just update. Alright, look at that. Wow. Even heavier snowfall conditions. I mean, look at that in the Lehigh Valley. I mean, let me check Blue Mountain quickly. Blue Mountain, I don't even know if they're open. Wow, look at that. Very heavy snow. And even some spots here, darker now. Even back in here, we're even seeing some glimpse of yellow, green. Damn. We're really in it. Seriously, we are in it. Back here is a little worrying to me because I feel like we can even get even the heavier snowfall rates. Yeah, but let me go upstairs and see the storm. Oh, wow. We are in whiteout. Whiteout condition. stopping me? Hello, everybody. I am back here, and I mean, right now, it is truly a blizzard scene outside. We are absolutely accumulating snow so quick, and I'm really, really surprised. Wow. Very, very happy, too. I mean, as a snow lover tomorrow, this is just going to be awesome. I mean, right now, we are in it. We are snowed on it. I mean, truly a wonderful snowstorm. I mean, these are some of the rates. Probably a little bit lighter now in some parts here, but still, you got a band that looks to me that's trying to set up right here now. Right over these areas. And then you got a little bit banding here. Then you got all this stuff to still go through. And you still got a lot of banding features that you're having here. With some very strong winds. Probably 20, 30 miles an hour winds. I mean, truly a snow event. 24 feels like 12 degrees now for me. That is cold, you guys. Truly a wonderful scene. I mean, look at some of these snowfall rates back in here. I mean, you just got, you know, you got worsening conditions. That's the bottom line here. And, you know, if you're traveling out tonight, you know, it's 5:03. It is just thumping of snow, you guys. We are really in it here. Wow. Definitely, you know, the Harrisburg area, 6.5 inches, you guys. That's significant. Okay? That is significant. 6.5 in Harrisburg, and it's not even done. I mean, this is so far good. I mean, we got a lot of sixes, sevens, eights. Definitely a lot of threes, fours. Really, really crazy. I mean, even in the Harrisburg area. I mean, if you guys are in the Harrisburg area, I mean, it is just thumping of snow. And you still got probably, let me look in for the Harrisburg area, probably into 7, 8 o'clock, 7:30 in Harrisburg. So, yeah, let the snow continue. I would say probably widespread 5, 6 inches, very likely, and maybe even 7 inches in spots. Let the snow continue, guys. Thank you. I'll be up. New frame is out. Wow. We have a band right here on us that has developed. Right here over us right now. But then, you know, you got nasty bandings here. Back in Lancaster, Harrisburg, still snowing, and this is still yet to come. I mean, you still have to get through all this, okay? Still, I would say 5 o'clock, another 4 hours. Solid 4 hours of light to heavy snow. Oh, and we're starting to see some yellows trying to pop up back in this band too, so that's really crazy. But I'll be back in just a few. Hello, everybody. I'm going to go quickly measure the snow. The snow has calmed down just a little bit. Still extremely heavy. We're probably going to enter a little breather here as we got some moderate snow still all in this blue. But we still got heavy bandings showing up all the way in here. So we're not even done yet, you guys. We still got more, but I say the worst might be coming to an end. But we still got the hours, you still got some of these bands back in here. You still got those dark greens, and those winds are going to continue to pick up. So, probably not the worst just yet. Welcome back, everybody. We are here again, and yes, we are tracking this snowstorm. We are, not even done with it. We probably still got a bit to go in my area. We are now reporting 4 to 4.5 inches of snow. So, pretty crazy here. This is the snowfall rates. It did die down for a little bit. We did have a little light period, moderate. Now that's starting to fill back in with some moderate to even heavier snow bands. And even down here where some of this has died down too. Okay, I'm noticing that too. So maybe the worst is over with the snowfall rates. But the damage has been done. Many areas around here, 4 to even 5 inches of snow. And, you can easily get another 1 to 2 in areas like that. Now, I just actually got an advisory. They just gave us an advisory here. Yeah, to 8 o'clock is an advisory. So I'm wondering what the advisory is. I mean, you still have all of this. I'm wondering if it's for that band. I'm actually wondering if it's for that band. I have a gut feeling it is. 23 degrees feels like 11. So, I mean, snowfall rates here. Wind speeds it's pretty windy too. Actually, yeah, it's probably because of that band right there. That band is kind of heading straight into it. So, yes, it says heavy snow possible through the early evening. Bands of heavy snow are moving over the region, especially the northwest intersection of I-95. This is heavy snow expected to continue through the early evening slowly to, and now snowfall rates are on 2 inches per hour and very